Want to reach 4,000 watch hours on YouTube?
Greetings, everyone. I'm Duchess DJ Love, founder of gallivantinglikearoyal.com. It's my blog on wanderlust and wealth wisdom. So, we're going to talk about your YouTube channel tonight. Have you ever wondered how to kickstart your YouTube channel and keep your audience hooked? Well, in this episode, I reveal the secrets I uncovered in my first week of growth. From optimizing your video title to creating eye-catching thumbnails. These tips are game changers. Don't miss out.
Consistency is key to increasing watch time. Upload quality content frequently to keep viewers engaged. Create longer videos to increase average watch duration. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Collaborate with other YouTubers to reach a wider audience. Promote your videos on social media to attract more views. Use keywords and tags to optimize your videos for search engines. Create playlists to keep viewers watching multiple videos. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to boost engagement.
Join me as I take on the challenge of hitting 4,000 watch hours on my YouTube channel in record time. Getting 4,000 watch hours is a significant milestone for any YouTuber. Not only does it unlock monetization options on the platform, but it also serves as a testament to the fact that your content is resonating with your audience. One of the biggest frustrations many creators face is getting stuck in the limbo of not having enough watch hours to monetize their channel. You've probably been there too, creating high-quality content, promoting it across all your social media channels, and yet, your watch hours just don't seem to be budging. It can be demotivating, to say the least. You start questioning the quality of your content, your strategy, and even your passion for creating videos in the first place. You might feel like you've tried everything under the sun to increase your watch hours, but nothing seems to be working. You're not alone in this struggle. Many creators have been in your shoes before, and it's nothing short of daunting. The 4,000 watch hour threshold can seem like an insurmountable task, especially when you're just starting out. It's easy to get disheartened when you see other creators effortlessly racking up watch hours while you're still stuck in the hundreds. But here's the thing, those creators didn't get there overnight. They worked hard to create content that resonates with their audience, and they consistently put in the effort to promote their channel and engage with their viewers. You can do the same. So, what's the secret to getting 4,000 watch hours quickly? Well, it's not rocket science, but it does require some strategy and persistence. One of the most effective ways to increase watch hours is to optimize your video length. You see, YouTube's algorithm favors videos that keep viewers engaged for longer periods of time. So, if you're creating short, snappy videos that are under 10 minutes long, you might want to consider lengthening them to keep your viewers hooked. Another strategy is to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. This might seem obvious, but it's surprising how many creators neglect this fundamental aspect of YouTube's success. Your content needs to be informative, entertaining, or inspiring, something that makes your viewers want to come back for more. You need to understand your audience's pain points and create content that addresses those needs. When you do this, your viewers will not only watch your videos till the end, but they'll also share them with their friends and family, increasing your watch hours exponentially. Playlists are another powerful tool in your arsenal. By grouping your videos into playlists, you're making it easy for your viewers to binge watch your content. This not only increases watch hours but also keeps viewers engaged with your channel for longer periods of time. And let's not forget about collaboration. When you collaborate with other creators in your niche, you're tapping into their audience and exposing your channel to a whole new set of viewers. This can be a game changer for getting those watch hours up quickly. But if I'm being honest, there's one strategy that stands head and shoulders above the rest. It's not about optimizing your video titles or tags, nor is it about creating clickbait thumbnails. It's about creating content that's so good, so valuable, that viewers can't help but share it with others. It's about creating a movement, a community, a sensation. When you create content that resonates with your audience on a deep level, they'll become ambassadors for your channel, sharing your videos with everyone they know. That's when the magic happens, and your watch hours start skyrocketing. In this video, we've discussed some effective strategies for getting 4,000 watch hours quickly. From optimizing video length to creating engaging content and utilizing playlists, we've covered it all. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistency and persistence. You need to keep creating, promoting, and engaging with your audience to see results. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Have you struggled to get 4,000 watch hours on your channel? What strategies have worked for you? Share your thoughts, and let's grow our channels together. And don't forget to tune into my next video for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. See you in the next one.